Good day everyone. Today we're going to do some maths integration with U substitution. Okay, here's an example. Cos 5 3x multiplied by sine squared to the exponent 3x. Okay, now how are we going to integrate this? Well, first off, we need to break this down to something a bit more usable. So cos 5 3x multiplied by sine squared 3x multiplied by sine x. Now this is still the same as this, it's just written a bit differently. 3x, sorry. Okay, so now we need to understand that there are some rules that we need to apply when integrating sometimes. And one of those rules are sine squared x plus cos squared x gives us 1. This is just a general rule that you need to understand and know and remember, so write it down. So now we can change this rule up a bit. We can say sine to x is equal to, take the cos over, 1 minus cos squared x. Okay, now we can substitute this in the place of sine squared 3x. Okay, note that this is a 3x and this is not, this is just the rule. This is our question. Okay, so let's rewrite it. Cos 5 3x multiplied by, let's substitute this in, 1 minus cos squared x. We still have the sine x on the side, sine 3x. Okay, now we can use U substitution by taking out the cos, because we know the derivative of that would be sine, so they would be able to cancel. So let's make ourselves a little box on the side. Over U is going to be cos 3x. Okay, so now let's substitute the U to the exponent 5 on this side, multiplied by 1 minus U squared. Okay, multiplied by sine 3x. Okay, so let's derive this. So it would be du over dx would give us, the derivative of course is negative sine, and since there's a 3 it would be moved to the front. Negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, now we want du on its own, so we're going to move dx up. Du equals dx over negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, now we're done with this. Now we can take this and move it into our integration equation. Okay, u 5 1 minus u squared multiplied by sine 3x multiplied by, let's bring that in, dx over negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, now we can cancel these out and we are left with negative 1 over 3 and with our u's. So let's take this over outside so we can integrate our u's. So it'll be 1 over 3 negative. Okay, over here let's multiply u in, u5 negative u to the exponent 7. Okay, now what we want to do now is integrate this. Okay, let's leave the negative third outside. Integration rule says plus 1 over whatever is at the top. So this would be u 6 over 6 minus u8 over 8. Now we're done with integrating. So once you finish, always plus c for the constant. So let's multiply back in now. Negative u 6 over 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 minus u 8 over 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 plus c. Okay, now we're basically done with the integration. Now we just got to substitute back the u into its original u. So let's just do that over here. Okay, so from here we move on to here. So b negative cos exponent 6 3x all over 18 minus our u is still cos exponent 8 3x all over 24 plus our c. Okay, now we finished. That's how you do u substitution with integration. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.